I am confident of you will utilize your talent for the development and prosperity of the country and the province. The real objective of life is to serve other people of the society. You, the young blood of the nation, should play an active part and contribute to the society. I am sure that after getting the professional degrees, you will play the role of the job rather than job seeker. Ladies and gentlemen, as you know better that we have started our IT Institute program in the September and have conducted their entry test. Now I request the concerned authority and the expert to the extent their support and the guidance for making this IT program successfully. At the end, I once again congratulate the Vice Chancellor and the entire team for the organizing the successfully convocation. May God bless you. Long live Pakistan, long live Balochistan, long live you.